Okay, so this is a video on how to factorise the quadratic x squared plus 5x minus 24. Well, factorising essentially means breaking down. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set out two brackets. And because we've only got an x squared term here, we've got a single x squared term, we know that it must be x and x as our lead term in each brackets. Okay, so our next step is to look at our number here, and we've got to think, okay, which two numbers multiply together to give us minus 24? And obviously we're going to have a number of pairs that might do that. The first one that comes to mind is minus 6 and 4. We've also got the alternative option of that, so we could have 6 and minus 4. We've also got minus 8 and 3, 8 and minus 3, 12 and minus 2, and minus 12 and 2. And also 24 and minus 1, minus 24 and 1. Okay, so now that we've got our pairs, all of these pairs multiply together to give us our minus 24, which we want. But now our next requirement is they must also add together to give us our 5x term. So our coefficient term of 5 is what we're after. So let's just go down our list. So minus 6 plus 4, well, that's minus 2, doesn't equal 5, so we can cross that out. Similarly, 6 plus minus 4 is 2, doesn't equal 5x, so we need to get rid of that. Minus 8 plus 3, well, that's minus 5, nearly, but not quite. And then here we've got 8 minus 3, that is 5, so we've found our solution. So all that we've got to do is add those into our brackets. Doesn't matter about the order, so I'm just going to pick x plus 8, x minus 3. And this is our solution. Always worth checking it. So let's draw on our eyebrows, our nose and our mouth. X times x is x squared. 8 times x is 8x. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. And finally 8 times minus 3 is minus 24. So we can just do a little bit of tidying up, so that gets us x squared plus 5x minus 24, which indeed does match what we were given in this, to begin with.